Good morning, sixth grade. Hope you guys are doing well today, and I hope that you will get your work done quickly. And like I sent out the post this morning, maybe you have some time to just curl up with a good book or watch a movie, something like that. I love the thoughts of curling up with a good book. It's one of my favorite things to do. So let's get our work done. Today's lesson is not too difficult, but it is something a little new. It's called extracting the square root. Now I'll give you something to look forward to in 7th grade. You get a little deeper into this concept. But for today, it's just kind of scratching the surface of this concept. So be sure you're reading the information. It's kind of the opposite of squaring a number, which you already know how to square a number. When you take a number to square it, you're multiplying that number by itself. So 7 squared is the same thing as saying 7 times 7, not 7 times 2. Square the number, so it's 7 times 7. And that would simply equal 49, taking this right from your book. And then look at this. This is the radical symbol. Darling. Okay, I'm done. That's all I'll do with that. This is the radical symbol though, and it's the opposite. So the square root of 49 would be 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. So when you see this symbol, you're taking the square root. So the square root of 49 is 7. It's the opposite of squaring a number. Here's letter C, 8 squared. So 8 times 8 equals 64. And therefore the square root of 64 is the opposite, which is 8. So see, it's not too bad, is it? Now you've got a few more to finish up, and then I wanted to look at story problem 2A with you. No, 2B. 2A shouldn't be too hard because 2A is exactly what this is. It says the area of a square is 36 feet. What is the length of each side? I'm telling you, 6th graders, I think my vision is getting worse because of all the checking I've been doing. I'm not lying. I just feel like here lately I need these dumb glasses more and more. I'm going to try to look for me some cooler ones, Makai, in case you're watching. You probably are not, but you better be. I'm trying to get me some hipper ones. But anyway, so letter A, 36, you're finding the square root of 36. So what number times itself would equal 36? Hopefully you said 6. That's the answer for that one, 6 feet. Now letter B is a little tricky. It says the radius squared is 81 meters squared. What is the length of the diameter in the same circle? So 81 meters squared. You're taking the square root of that number. So what number times itself would equal 81? And the answer is 9. Okay, so you said, well, that doesn't sound too hard, but you got to be careful though, because it said what is the length of the diameter? That's the radius. So remember how when we have a circle, this is the radius. The diameter is the line that extends all the way. So we have to double it. Radius doubled makes your diameter. So therefore you say 9 times 2 to get 18. There's your answer for story problem B. Now on section 3, we're back to those time zones again. And I'll just make sure that you're remembering on letter A, we're starting at noon Eastern time. So it's going to be earlier as you go toward noon Eastern time. It's going to be earlier as you go toward the west. So it'll be 11 a.m., 10 a.m., 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 7 a.m. And then remember on section 4, the lines of latitude, there's approximately 69 miles in between each line of latitude. So just take your degrees and multiply by 69, and you'll get your answers for A and B. And then onto the back page, you're just doing some review, and I don't think you should have any trouble. Just be careful about your decimals and things like that. Oh, I see more story problems. Yay. A few more story problems there. I didn't look ahead to those, to be honest, so if you've got questions, just call me. That'll be fine, and let me know if you've got any questions. Tomorrow, our final lesson for this week will be on negative numbers. You've had a lot of new concepts this week, and so I know that's not been easy, but you know, you guys are at the top tier of the elementary, so you're doing some tough work here at the end, Hang in there, we'll get through it. But I'll come back tomorrow and go over, Lord willing, negative numbers. There will not be a history video today because yesterday's video covered a couple of lessons. So tomorrow I'll come back with a new math video and a new history video to round out our week.